I will begin with my session now. Yes. So let's begin our session with an interactive way. Okay. So Aditya Sangle, come on, unmute your mic, please. Aditya. Okay. Can anyone tell me where do we live? Yes. Where do we live? Anyone? You can reply in Hindi, no issues. हम कहाँ पर रहते हैं? कहाँ रहते हैं? Aryan, can you please tell me where do we live? Sanchit. Students, let's instead of I'm taking.
We live on the Earth's surface. We live on the Earth's surface, mainly on lands in buildings.
Yes, very right. Yes, Siddhi, good job. Yes, we live on Earth's surface. Yes, we live in buildings. Okay, but in which city we are we living, Siddhi?
Nasik in.
Yes, Nasik city. And can you tell me where is Nasik situated? In which state?
In Maharashtra.
Yeah, very right. In Maharashtra state, the Nasik city is there and we live in Nasik. Okay, Siddhi, thank you so much for your cooperation. So, my dear children, yes, why we are discussing about the place we are living. Yes, suppose for example, if when you grow up, yes, if you want to travel somewhere, so it's what you will in what information you will gather, which information you will collect before going there. Yes, anyone would like to answer? Any one of you? Yes, अगर आपको कहीं पे कौन सी भी सिटी में कौन सी भी कंट्री में अगर आपको जाना है तो वहां जाने से पहले आप कौन से इंफॉर्मेशन इकट्ठा करोगे? Okay, fine. I will tell you. Suppose, for example, if you want to visit Jaipur, yes, the city, yes, if you want to visit Jaipur, so first, what do you will, वहां जाते कैसे है, right? Yes, वहां जाने के कौन से options है, railway, roadways, airways. Then you will decide how you want to go. Okay, then you will decide where you want to stay. Okay, so all small basic information you will collect. So similarly, how we collect the information for travel, but apart from that also, since we are living in this world, we should know at least about the state, about the city where we are living. We should know the conditional geographical conditions of the city or the state or of the country. Yes, so today we are going to Sayami ma'am, will you
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
share the screen?
Oh, is it? Oh, yes, sure. So sorry, ma'am.
It's okay, ma'am.
Immediately, I'll do that.
So, children, today we are going to learn about the soil types. Yes, soil types of Maharashtra. So, let's begin. Give me a moment.
Ma'am, try doing it now.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yes. So, students, I told you that my name is Lakshmi Thakur. I'm doing my B.Ed from a new College of Education. Yes, I am in second year. And now let's start. As I told you, it is important to understand the geographical condition of the place where we live. Yes, and now geographical condition includes what? Which areas? Yes, it's weather, it's traditions, culture, food, people. Yes, about we should know about their culture, weather, food, traditions, and people, etc. Yes, where do we live? Yes, as Siddhi told us that we live in Nasik, Maharashtra state. So yes, so today we are going to study about Maharashtra's soil types. Now, what do you mean by soil? Let's discuss that later on. I have one picture. I hope you all can see. Sayamim, can you please tell me? You can see my screen?
Yes, Lakshmi, ma'am. I can see your screen, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. So, student, this is a map of Maharashtra state, and it shows us types and overall distribution of soil. Yes, see in the below you have they have given us the types of soil. We are going to learn about that after this. So they have just given the colors, and they have given the information that in which area which type of soil is there, and it varies from place to place. Yes, the soil, the weather, the culture, everything varies from place to place. Children, please behave yourself. Yes, how you were good kids in Sayami ma'am's lecture. I'm not going to take much of your time. Please behave yourself, so we will finish in time. Why soil is important? And important component of the living world on the earth is plants. Prem Ganesh, please behave yourself. If you will behave, if you will cooperate, we will be able to finish in the time, or else it will take too much of time. You only tell what to do. Yes, student?
Yeah, Lakshmi ma'am, can you do one thing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Lakshmi ma'am. You can just go up. You'll see one bar there, right? Click on that. There is more written on that bar. नहीं, वही पे स्क्रीन पे जहाँ पे वो आप हो सीधा ऊपर, आप एरो ऊपर करोगे तो वो बार नीचे आएगा.
Disable annotation for others, right?
Sorry.
Disable annotation for
हाँ, enable annotation. Yes. Enable annotation. Right. Click on that.
Yeah.
Now you can continue. Yes.
Yes. So for the production and growth of plants, soil is indispensable. They provide support to plant. Why we are discussing about soil? Why soil is so important? Yes, an important component of living world on the earth is plants. Yes, how we all can survive? Can we survive without food? No, we cannot survive without food. And from where we get food? We get food from plants. And where do plants grow? Plants grow in soil, right? It grows on land. Yes, and soil provides support to the plants. Vegetation is abundant in the regions that have fertile soils. Example, equatorial regions. Yes, students, yes, we get enough food, like good quality and good quantity of food in the regions, yes, where we have fertile soils. What do you mean by fertile soils? Fertile soils means productive, which grows more and of good quality. Yes, and however, in the areas where the soils are not fertile, vegetation is scanty. Example, in deserts, if you go to Rajasthan area, you will be not able to get green leafy vegetables much in quantity. Yes, because there is a shortage of soil. Vegetation is not seen over there. Yes, and like desert, there are some polar areas where there is so much of snow. So though favorable climate, availability of abundant water and sunlight are necessary for the growth of a plant, these alone are not sufficient. Fertile soils favor plant growth. Yes, as we all know that plant needs water, air and sunlight for growth, right? But these are all not sufficient. If your land, if your soil is not good, your plant will not grow. So that is why soil is very, very important. So now let's discuss about the types of soil in Maharashtra. Yes, there are 5 types of soils are found in Maharashtra. How many types, students? 5 types. The first is coarse soil. The second is rigor or black soil. The third is laterite soil, alluvial soil of the coastal strip, and the fifth is yellow or brown soil. Okay, so now let's discuss them in details. The first we saw is coarse soil. Yes, what do you mean by coarse soil? This soil type is a result, of weathering and low rainfall. Yes, this soil can be found in the hilltops of the western parts of the plateau. Example, Ajanta, Balaghat and Mahadev hills. The proportion of humus is negligible in this soil. Coarse soil means Yes, it is result of low rainfall. Coarse soil is found in area where there is low rainfall, especially in the hilltops of western part. Okay, Ajanta, Balaghat, and Mahadev hills. Then the second is rigor or black soil. It is found in areas of medium rainfall in the valleys and an alluvial plains of river basins. Two types of this soil are found. Dark black soil is found in the western part of Deccan Plateau, white, while medium black soil is found in the eastern part. Yes, even in the black soil, there are two types. There are two types in the rigor or black soil. Yes, dark black soil is found in the which part of the western part of the Deccan Plateau, while medium black means lighter than the first one is found in the eastern part. Though it is black in color, proportion of organic component is less in the soil. Yes, it. Yes, Sujit, you want to say something? Yes, Sujit, you Sujit Avhad. Would you like to contribute to our session?
No, teacher.
Okay. Okay. So it is mentioned over here that the proportion of organic components means that the soil may look black, but organic components means the quality is not that good of the soil. The third is laterite soil. This type of soil is found in the coastal belt of Konkan, to the west of the Sahyadri and the east of Vidarbha. In areas of very heavy rainfall, the eroded rocks get washed away in a large quantity, and as a result, the parent rock lies bare open. The iron in the rock reacts with the oxygen in the air and causes chemical reaction, and this gives reddish orange color to the soil, which is thus formed. Okay, so where is literate soil is found? This type of soil is found in the coastal area, belt of Konkan. Yes, where there is very heavy rainfall. So what happens over there, student? The rocks gets washed away in a large quantity. Yes, and the iron in the rock reacts with the oxygen in the air and causes chemical reaction, and which gives reddish orange color to the soil, which is formed in the laterite soil. The fourth one is alluvial soil of the coastal strip. Coastal area means what? Can Yes, anyone would like to answer? Coastal area means near the sea, near the creek. Majority of the rivers flowing in the Konkan region are short and flow with the great speed. Therefore, the alluvium brought by them gets deposited at the mouth of the river. Children, we all know, yes, that river flows from one place to another. Whenever river is flowing from there, whenever the river is moving from one place to another, it carries so many things along with it. Yes, it may be the garbage also, it may be the some things also, and it may carry stones also. Yes, it may carry stones, and along with it, it may carry the all things, like alluvium means things, and the quality of the other side. The soil is found at the mouth of the rivers in the western coastal strip. Example, the areas around Panvel Uran coast, Dharamtar Creek. Yes. सो क्या होता है, जब नदी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर बहती है तो वो अपने साथ बहुत सारी चीजें लेकर आती है, दूसरे साइड की चीजें, दूसरे साइड के मिनरल्स, जी हाँ, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉइल. नदी के साथ साथ उसकी मिट्टी भी बहकर उसके साथ आती है। एंड जहां पर नदी स्टॉप होती है, जहां पर रिवर वहां पे स्टॉप होती है, तो वो सारी चीजें वहां पे रुक जाती है, वो वहीं पे रहती है। यस, आप लोगों, आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव सीन द सी। आप लोग सब बीच पे गए होंगे कभी ना कभी तो, और एल्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन द बीच इन द पिक्चर्स आल्सो। यस, व्हाट हैपेंस, द सी वेव्स, यस, आप लोगों ने ऑब्जर्व किए होंगे जो सी वेव्स होते हैं वो अपने साथ किनारे से बहुत कुछ अंदर भी लेके जाते हैं। एंड समटाइम्स दे ब्रिंग सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड दे पुट इट ऑन द सी शोर, राइट, वो वहां पे किनारों पे सब चीजें लाके डंप भी करते हैं। तो सिमिलर थिंग्स हैपेंस विद द रिवर्स आल्सो। यस, and here what happens, majority of the rivers flowing in the Konkan region are short and flow with great speed. So जब स्टूडेंट व्हाट हैपेंस, जब पानी बहुत स्पीड से बहता है तो व्हाट हैपेंस, वो सारी चीजें अपने आप लेकर आता है एंड इट गेट्स डिपॉजिटेड, इट गेट्स डंप्ड at the mouth of the river. Yes, and the soil is found at the mouth of rivers in the western coastal strip and the areas around Panvel, Dharamtar Creek, etc. And the last is yellow brown soil. These soils are found in areas of extreme rainfall. Now children, what do you mean by extreme? Very high. Yes, very high rain, very heavy rainfall. They are not very fertile. इस टाइप की मिट्टी जो, इस टाइप की जो सॉइल होती है, इट इज नॉट फर्टाइल एट ऑल, देयरफॉर दे आर नॉट वेरी यूजफुल यूज्ड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर। सो दैट इज व्हाई ये टाइप की सॉइल एग्रीकल्चर में यूज नहीं होती है। दे आर मेनली फाउंड इन चंद्रपुर, ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ भंडारा and parts of Sahyadri mountains. Yes, yellow brown color की soil कहाँ पाई जाती है? They are found in Chandrapur, eastern part of Bhandara and parts of Sahyadri mountains. Yellow brown soil is not very fertile, so here it is very less used in agriculture. And yellow brown soil कहाँ मिलती है हमें, कहाँ पाई जाती है? जहां पे बहुत ही ज्यादा रेनफॉल होता है। So students, we are learning about 5 types of soils in Maharashtra. Yes, so let's make our session very interactive. Any one of you would like to tell me why soil is important? The answer is right in front of you. If you want to try, any one of you, please unmute yourself and tell me.
Soil is comfort of living world on the earth plant. That's why soil is
indispensable. Yes, soil is very important because if you want to survive, see children, I will give you example. Yes, जब हम एक right now तो we are all are very settled in our places in our city, but in earlier days जब किसी को मूव करना होता था, जब किसी को एक सिटी से, एक कंट्री से कहीं दूसरी जगह जाना होता था एंड वहां पे रहना होता था, मीन्स दे वर थिंकिंग कि मैं ये जगह छोड़ के यहाँ पे जाके रहूं, तो वो क्या देखते थे कि हम जहाँ जा रहे हैं, we'll be, are we able to survive over there? We will be able to survive बिकॉज वहां पे क्या होना चाहिए, वहां पे एक तो सबसे पानी इजीली मिलना चाहिए आपको। यस, वहां की वेदर कंडीशंस अच्छी होनी चाहिए एंड द थर्ड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज मिट्टी, वहां की जमीन, वहां की सॉइल वो अच्छी होनी चाहिए। अगर वो अच्छी है तो आप वहां पे एग्रीकल्चर कर सकते हो। यस, आप वहां पे अच्छे स्ट्रॉन्ग घर बना सकते हो। अगर वो अच्छी नहीं है एंड इट इज नॉट सपोर्टिंग यू, यू नो, सो वहां पे जाके शिफ्ट होने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है। दैट इज वाई एंड दीज ऑल थिंग्स अप्लाई हियर ऑल्सो। यस, अगर आप, मैंने जैसे कहा कि आप यू विल गो टू डेजर्ट एरिया, यस, सहारा रन, यू ऑल नो सहारा डेजर्ट, तो वहां पर आपको कहीं पे ग्रीन 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 वैसे प्लांट्स दिखते हैं क्या? यस, यस और नो, टेल मी। जैसे ट्रीज हमको यहाँ पे नासिक में इजीली दिख जाते हैं, कैन वी सी सच काइंड ऑफ ट्रीज इन सहारा डेजर्ट? एनी वन ऑफ यू प्लीज रिप्लाई। नो, वी कैन नॉट सी इन द डेजर्ट बिकॉज वहां पे सॉइल ही नहीं है, वहां पे सब जगह पे रेत है। यस, There is a sand everywhere, right? So it can only grow cactus, nothing more than that. So that is why soil is very important. Yes. Who was answering that question? Very good, and thank you so much for your cooperation. And now the next question is, how many types of soils are found in Maharashtra? Anyone?
5 types.
Yes, very good. Dear, please tell me your name.
Black soil, literate soil, and
Yes, please see. I will.
soil, black soil, literate soil, yellow brown soil, and
Yeah. Very good. Yes, you are right. There are 5 types of soils are found in Maharashtra: coarse, rigor or black, laterite, alluvial, or yellow and brown. Very good. See, children, whenever you answer, it boosts our confidence also, and we also feel interest. We also feel happy that you people are listening to us. Okay. And so the first type of soil is result of weathering and low rainfall. Yes, coarse soil is a result of लो रेनफॉल, जहां पे बहुत कम बारिश होती है वहां पे कोर्स सॉइल दिखती है. देन देयर इज अ रिगर और ब्लैक सॉइल. ओके, एंड इट इज फाउंड इन एरियाज ऑफ मीडियम रेनफॉल, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा बारिश नहीं और बहुत कम भी नहीं, मीडियम रेनफॉल जहां पे होता है वहां पे ये सॉइल मिलती है. एंड देयर आर 2 टाइप्स इन ब्लैक सॉइल आल्सो, डार्क ब्लैक एंड मीडियम ब्लैक. Yes, dark black and medium black. And organic components are very less in this soil. Then there is a laterite soil, alluvial soil of the coastal strip, and the last is yellow brown soil. Okay, and now, yes, laterite soil is found in which part of Maharashtra? Please, last few seconds of the session, please, anyone would like to answer? Yes, dear, it's completely okay. Even if you give wrong answer, that's fine, no issues. I'm there to help you. This type of soil is found in the coastal belt of Konkan to the west of the Sahyadris and the east of Vidarbha. Yes, the answer is in front of you. Anyone would like to repeat?
This type of soil is found in the coastal belt of the Konkan to the west of the Sahyadris and in the west of the Vidarbha.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, and the second is, coarse soil is found in which part of Maharashtra? It is found in hilltops of the western part of the plateau, Ajanta, Balaghat, and Mahadev hills. Yes, okay. So my dear students, I hope the session was quite informative for you all. Just a second, give me a moment. I am not able to stop sharing. Yes, I really hope that the session was informative to all of you, and I hope you all enjoyed the session. Yes, thank you so much for your support and cooperation and for replying. Yes, okay, and now the meeting is ended. You may leave. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you so much, children. Have a good